The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Massive fire attack has resulted in causing casualties of over 140 servicemen and 19 units of military equipment of the 14th and the 92nd Mechanized Brigades near Kupiansk in Kharkov region, as well as of the 66th Mechanized Brigade near Shurovo in Donetsk People's Republic. High-precision attacks launched by Russian aerospace forces at the positions of the 28th Mechanized and the 59th Mechanized Infantry Brigades near Nikolaev, as well as of the 61st Chaser Infantry Brigade near Ternovka in Nikolaev region, have resulted in the elimination of over 200 nationalists, 3 tanks and 16 armored combat vehicles. Missile attack launched at a provisional base of foreign mercenaries near Kalinovka in Nikolaev region has resulted in the elimination of up to 300 militants. Unsuccessful attempt of the 10th Mountain Assault Brigade to launch an offensive towards Bersama in Donetsk People's Republic has resulted in the elimination of 48 Ukrainian servicemen, including 7 officers. 4 armored vehicles have been neutralized. Operational, tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 5 Ukrainian command posts near Kupiansk in Kharkov region, Nikolaevka in Donetsk People's Republic, Kirovo in Zaporozhye region, Kostromka in Kherson region, and Berezhnye in Nikolaev region, as well as 62 artillery units, 153 Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration areas. 3 missile, artillery armament and munitions depots have been destroyed near Annovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Sladkoye and Uspenovka in Zaporozhye region. 1 radar of Ukrainian-manufactured S-300 air defense system has been destroyed near Udachnoye in Donetsk People's Republic, and Norwegian-manufactured Arthur counter-battery warfare radar near Mikhailo-Zavodskoye in Dnepropetrovsk region. Fighter aircraft of the Russian aerospace forces has shot down 1 MiG-29 of Ukrainian Air Force modified for launching US-manufactured HARM anti-radar missiles near Sergeyevka in Dnepropetrovsk region. Russian air defense facilities have shot down 7 unmanned aerial vehicles near Staromlinovka, Valerianovka, Kirillovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Reshetilovskaya and Lubimovka in Zaporozhye region, Chkalovo and Kirovo in Kherson region. 42 projectiles launched by HIMARS and OLHA multiple rocket launching systems, as well as HARM anti-radar missiles have been destroyed in the air near Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region. Moreover, 2.U tactical missiles have been intercepted over Matrosovka and Korsunka in Kherson region. In total, 299 airplanes and 155 helicopters, 2,062 unmanned aerial vehicles, 376 air defense missile systems, 5,100 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 844 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,412 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 5,813 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. Kiev regime continues its provocations near Zaporozhye nuclear power plant. Russian air defense facilities have shot down 1 Bayraktar TB2 unmanned aerial vehicle over Kakhovka reservoir on its way from Nikopol towards Zaporozhye nuclear power plant. Ukrainian artillery has shelled Volna suburban settlement located near the nuclear power plant. A total of 10 projectiles have been launched from the area of Marganets in Dnepropetrovsk region. Enemy firepower has been neutralized by Russian artillery's counter-attack. The radiation environment at the Zaporozhye nuclear power plant remains normal.